Dollar CAD Technical Analysis, September 6, FXEmpire.com. The dollar Canadian dollar pair spent most of the day on Monday rising in value. However, there are several things that are coming together at the 99 level that currently show that there's a possible bearish push in the near term. The area has been resistance recently, as you can see drawn by this box on the chart, and the stochastic is starting to reach into the overbought conditions as well on the daily chart. This does suggest a fall, although it's not a signal quite yet, but it does show that we are rapidly approaching the level where the overbought condition will certainly come into play. This area does look like a bit of a range-bound market, so we use a range-bound indicator like the stochastic to perhaps give us a little bit of insight. We do expect support to come into play at 98, and as such, this is more or less a short-term trade, as the trend is down, and one could hang on for perhaps a new move down, and it would take a break of this candle's lows at about 97.25 in order to continue the move down. And to go long, we need to see a close above parity, which would be a very strong signal in this market. Until then, though, we just assume that it is more of the same, and it is going to be a range-bound market, and it's at the top of the range, and we have overbought conditions starting to appear in the stochastic, as well as a resistance area and a pseudo shooting star being formed on the daily. All of these things line up and suggest to us that this pair will fall, at least for the short term.